Hello and welcome back to Uday's Kitchen. Today I'm back with this deliciously stuffed shrimp recipe that tastes so wonderful it just melts in the mouth. So before we waste any more time, let's dive into it. So I have here some shrimp that you can see I deveined like so. That way it's easier for me to stuff it. Okay, and I'm gonna marinate my shrimp with some black pepper, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, and some paprika with salt or Maggi seasoning or jumbo seasoning. Okay, you can use any seasoning of choice that you like with your seafood. Okay, so I'm gonna add now all the ingredients. The Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, and black pepper. Half the Maggi seasoning. Okay, you can use salt to your liking, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. Okay, mix all of that up. Okay, and for our stuffing, we're gonna use some crab meat. Okay, in here I have 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and I'm using this type, the one with chives and onions. Okay, we're gonna need some mayo and some mustard with some breadcrumbs. Okay, now with everything in, I'm going to add in the same seasonings that I used to season my shrimp. Okay, so Old Bay seasoning, paprika powder, a little black pepper, some garlic powder. Okay, everything in. Now I'm just gonna fold it all in. I don't want to break all my crab meat, so I'm just gonna fold these all in and make sure everything is well incorporated. There you have it. Our stuffing is all set. Okay, as you can see, we still have some of the crab meat. You don't want it to all break. Okay, now we're just gonna take our cast iron skillet, put in some butter, and lay our crabs. Okay, with my skillet I take some butter and rub it all around. Okay, because I don't want any of the shrimp to stick to the pan. In the meanwhile, I have my oven preheating, okay, to 425 degrees. Okay, that's enough. Now we're gonna take each shrimp, as you can see how I deveined it. So I'm just gonna take it and lay it like so. Take my filling. Okay, time to get our hands dirty. Okay, take some of the filling, add it to the top, and just take the tail and do it like so. Okay, and I'm gonna repeat the whole step for the rest of my shrimp. Okay, lay it flat, take some of that filling, put to the back, take the tail like that. Okay, as you can see, all our shrimps are beautifully stuffed. Okay, now in here I have some melted butter that I'm just gonna take and add to the top of the filling. Okay, so it's all set. Now into the oven it goes at 425 degrees. Okay, until cooked through and golden brown. Just take a look at that in the oven. Whoa, there you have it. It came out perfect. Just look at this. The stuffing just sticks to the shrimp the way we want it. All right, try this out and your loved one is gonna appreciate you forever. Okay, give it a try and thank me later. There you have it. Bon appetit and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.